Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 2828, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 2828? What's the symbolism of 2828? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 2828 mean for love? What does 2828 mean for twin flames? What does 2828 for manifestation? How does angel number 2828 affect finances? What does 2828 mean for former relationships? How does 2828 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 2828? What are the weaknesses of angel number 2828? What's the meaning of angel number 2828? Angel number 2828 is a powerful sign of abundance, balance, and self-confidence. It signals that financial and personal rewards are on the way, especially when you trust your abilities and remain true to your values. The number encourages wise decision-making and persistence, reminding you that your efforts are being recognized by the universe. With its repeating 2s and 8s, this number speaks of duality and material prosperity coming into harmony. Trust that your hard work and spiritual alignment are leading you toward success. Stay balanced, believe in yourself, and prepare to receive blessings in both your personal and professional life. What's the symbolism of angel number 2828? Angel number 2828 symbolizes harmony between cooperation, 2, and abundance, 8. Suggesting that success comes from partnerships, balance, and mutual growth. The repeating structure reflects cycles, particularly the flow of giving and receiving. Number 2 brings sensitivity, trust, and relationship energy, while 8 adds themes of wealth, authority, and karmic balance. Together, they symbolize a powerful alignment between spiritual purpose and material reward. 2828 encourages using inner wisdom and diplomacy to manage opportunities that are unfolding. It's a reminder that positive relationships and ethical action will strengthen your path toward personal and financial success while maintaining spiritual integrity. What is the angel number 2828 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 2828 emphasizes harmony between your material pursuits and your soul's purpose. It asks you to find balance between ambition and inner peace. The number 2 reminds you to maintain faith and compassion, while 8 signals spiritual abundance, karma, and divine reward. This number often appears when you're being asked to trust the process and align your actions with your higher self. It encourages responsible leadership and service to others, reinforcing that spiritual wealth often precedes material prosperity. Angel number 2828 is a divine nudge to pursue both spiritual enlightenment and worldly success without sacrificing your moral compass. What does the angel number 2828 mean for love? In love, 2828 signifies the importance of balance, mutual respect, and shared goals. It encourages couples to cooperate, support each other's ambitions, and maintain equality in the relationship. If you're in a partnership, this number highlights the importance of emotional and financial stability, suggesting that both parties should contribute to growth. For singles, 2828 signals the potential for meeting someone who complements both your spiritual and practical life. It's a call to align your personal values with your romantic desires. Healthy communication, patience, and long-term vision are key themes when this number appears in matters of the heart. What does angel number 2828 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 2828 highlights the journey toward shared purpose and mutual abundance. This number suggests that both partners are learning to balance independence with unity. The presence of 2 speaks to soul-level connection and harmony, while 8 brings the energy of karmic growth and spiritual power. If you're in separation, this number indicates that growth and balance are needed before reunion. If united, it encourages building a foundation based on equality and shared goals. Angel number 2828 tells twin flames that What does angel number 2828 for manifestation? Angel number 2828 is a strong sign that your manifestations, especially related to financial or career goals, are close to becoming reality. The combination of 2 and 8 emphasizes that balance, persistence, and cooperation are key to attracting your desires. Number 8 is associated with abundance and reward, while 2 highlights faith, timing, and relational harmony. Your angels are encouraging you to keep a positive mindset and remain aligned with your intentions. Be open to partnerships and collaboration, as they may accelerate your progress. Trust that the universe is supporting your growth when your goals align with your soul's purpose. How does angel number 2828 affect finances? Financially, 2828 is an incredibly positive sign. It indicates that prosperity is within reach as long as you stay focused and disciplined. The energy of number 8 points to financial success, abundance, and smart decision-making, while number 2 brings balance and the importance of trusting timing and partnership. This number encourages you to use your talents wisely and manage your resources with care. It's a good time to build financial plans or investments that align with your long-term goals. Keep an ethical approach, and financial rewards will follow. It's also a reminder to remain grateful and generous as abundance grows. What does angel number 2828 mean for former relationships? When it comes to past relationships, 2828 suggests that valuable lessons have been learned that will guide your future connections. It emphasizes balance and karmic closure. What was out of alignment is now being resolved. You're being encouraged to reflect, forgive, and move forward with maturity. The number also indicates that any pain you experienced served to strengthen your emotional wisdom and self-worth. If you're wondering about rekindling a past relationship, 2828 advises you to evaluate whether the foundation is balanced and mutually supportive. Either way, this number calls for self-respect, personal growth, and openness to future, healthier bonds. How does angel number 2828 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 2828 points to career advancement and the need to trust your skills and leadership potential. It encourages you to pursue roles that offer both material success and personal fulfillment. Number 8 brings financial reward and ambition, while 2 promotes teamwork and diplomacy. If you've been considering a new opportunity, partnership, or entrepreneurial venture, 2828 is a green light, so long as your goals align with your values. It also reminds you to remain patient and maintain balance between work and personal life. Be persistent, stay organized, and trust that recognition and rewards are coming. What are the strengths of angel number 2828? The strengths of angel number 2828 include balance, ambition, confidence, and relationship harmony. This number supports strong leadership paired with empathy and cooperation. People aligned with 2828 are often great collaborators who also excel in personal achievement. They understand the importance of both giving and receiving, and they use their intuition to make wise financial and relational decisions. With a powerful mix of spiritual awareness and material focus, 2828 embodies well-rounded growth. Its energy brings the ability to manifest abundance while nurturing harmony in all areas of life. This number fosters emotional intelligence, inner strength, and long-term vision. What are the weaknesses of angel number 2828? The potential weaknesses of angel number 2828 include imbalance, overdependence on others, or overly materialistic focus. Individuals influenced by this number may sometimes prioritize financial gain at the expense of emotional or spiritual well-being. The repeated 8s can cause a drive for control or dominance, while the 2s may lead to indecision or people-pleasing behaviors. If not managed well, this can result in burnout, codependency, or ethical compromises. It's important to stay grounded and ensure that ambitions are aligned with integrity and compassion. Striking a healthy balance between drive and diplomacy is key to avoiding the pitfalls of 2828's energy.